Hi, welcome to High Tech Machinery Inc. Today we are going to give you the demo on the Bridgeport Series 1 2 horsepower CNC Vertical Mill. This is a 3-axis CNC mill. It has a Annulum Crusader Series M CNC control. It has a 9 inches by 48 inches table, R8 taper on the spindle, in a great condition. So now we're going to give you the demo. Yes, sir. Currently the machine is running at 2000 RPM and we have just programmed the machine. The machine is running on completely on the CNC mode with full 3 axis. The spindle is also moving down and up. So all three axes are working simultaneously. That completes the program. Now we're going to run the spindle on the different RPMs. Now we're going to increase the RPMs to 4,000, 4,200 RPM. That's the max RPM on the high gear. Now we're going to bring it back to 2,000 or 1,500. So that's your 1,400 RPM. Now we're going to change to the low gear. The gear has been changed to low gear. $200, $240 on the low gear, $260, $300, $400, $500. That's your max speed on the low gear. That completes our video. This machine is in a great condition. If you have any questions, you can call us at 913-306-1377. The machine can be inspected under power at our warehouse in Independence, Missouri. Thanks for watching.